Hi, I'm Raf.
And I'm Damaris.
And today we're fusing Puerto Rican and Philippine cultures into this American dish for Thanksgiving.
We created one dish based on our cultures, Puerto Rico and Philippines, and you guys can check it out right now. Let's get started.
I think what makes a Friendsgiving meal great is the opportunity to hang out and reconnect with friends that you haven't seen for a while.
And for me, it's sharing dishes and our cultures. So I created a canoa, which is a canoe, which is a fried or baked plantain. Typically we put a ground meat on it, but what I created was a Sofrito meatball, turkey meatball with turkey ground beef, and we're gonna top it with the sauce.
Which has onions, garlic, and Worcestershire sauce. Here you have it, guys. One amazing, delicious dish.